Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a modern logo design in CorelDRAW using very easy tips and tricks for experts and beginners. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you don't understand anything in the video, then comment your question below the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new video upload. So without any further ado, let's get to the quickest and easy way to modern logo design using circle and the bezier tool in CorelDRAW. So this is our CorelDRAW. Pick the circle tool. You can hold down the control. If you're on window, make a perfect circle. Increase the point size to 100 points. Alright, so if you've done that, we convert the line, because what we have here is an outline. We convert it to a shape with a shortcut on your keyboard, Ctrl-Shift-Q. Convert the outline to a shape. Then I like to give it a right click on the color to give it an outline color and take off the fill color. So we copy and paste and move the circle to meet up with the next one. We repeat the same thing. We'll copy the both circle and paste and move it downward. Meets there. So you can select all. I'll just reduce it and bring it into our workspace. You can as well zoom in to be very sure that you have all the nodes meeting at the right point. If they don't intersect properly, it might affect the creation of the logo. So you can as well check that. Zoom in to check it. Okay, we are good to go. We're good to go. There's a bit of an overlap here. Can adjust that. So we group, press Ctrl P to align it to the center of the page. Get a rectangle and draw from the center. If you hold your Shift and Control, you will notice that I've gotten to the center of the other circles. Okay, having done this, we pick up a Smart Fill tool and let's click. Okay, this is about the overlapping issue. So with the Smart Fill tool, we pick that up. Then we can carefully, using the segment, visual segment delete, we can delete the parts we don't need, or we can use like I said earlier, we need to check that these angles are aligned, and I think this particular one here didn't align. That's why we're having that challenge. So I will take off the two circles below and have it pasted again. Okay, I think we have a perfect stuff now. Get our rectangle back. Pick the rectangle tool from the middle, holding Ctrl and Shift. Then with the segments, the Smart Fill tool, perfect. Fill this up. So our logo is almost ready. Just select the parts, hold down the Shift key to click on each pattern. Okay, we have all of them right now. We can group, just take it to a totally new page. So this is our logo. We'll have to fill it up. Create a gradient. Shift, weld it together. We shift, weld it together. We shift, weld this together. Okay, so we have each part on its own right now. This is why we make use of the wizard tool. Click and drag just to make a curve. Okay, we can take from the middle of this segment, click and drag, just have that perfect shape. And I'll pick the smart fill tool. Can fill up this part again. You can change the color so that it's easier for you to identify the new part we are filling. Okay. I'll do that again. Okay. Smart fill tool with this boot. Take off the outlines. And with the interactive fill tool, click and drag. You can hold the shift button to make a smooth straight selection. And I can choose a gradient. So I like the shade of this green. Okay. So you can copy the same fill down to this spot. Just right click, move it, and left click to drop. Then you select fill. So if you go back to the interactive fill tool in the property bar, you can actually rotate the direction of the fill. So we just need to copy this to fill into this other part. Click Ctrl R to repeat, and also flip. Just align it. Okay. Can turn it to angle 90. Flip it again. Flip it once more. Align to the top. I just have this very nice. I think I'm okay with this. Can adjust all these gradients so we have a very nice reflection on. Same thing applies here. So this is our logo. Good to go to make a shadow for it. I hope you're getting in this. If you don't understand any particular point, you can drop your question in the comment section below. So this is our logo. That will be all for now. Thank you for watching.